Lesson 19. Paragraph Writing. Paragraph writing is the foundation of all essay writing, whether the form is expository, persuasive, narrative, or creative. In order to write a good paragraph, students need to understand the four essential elements of paragraph writing and how each element contributes to the whole. At Time for Writing, a certified teacher acts as an online writing tutor to help students build writing skills by focusing on the fundamentals. The four elements essential to good paragraph writing are unity, order, coherence, and completeness. 1. Visit to historical monument. Our school arranged a trip to Agra last week on Saturday. We started this tour by bus via Taj Express. It was 3 days trip. We were very eager to see the beauty of the Taj Mahal. It is situated at the bank of Yamuna River. After enjoying a very comfortable journey of about 2 hours, we reached Agra. We stayed here in a big hotel, which was in Agra city. Here, first we took lunch and went for Taj Mahal. All of us were surprised to see the real beauty of the Taj Mahal, as we had already read and heard about its wonder. It was really the wonder of the world. Using of white marbles was great to see for me as a visitor. Our guide explained to us each part of this historical monument in details with the story of Shah Jahan and his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It was really a sweet memorial. Our next visit was for the Red Fort of Agra and Fatehpur Sikri. We were very happy to see these all historical places, and this trip was very successful as it was educative and entertaining. 2. Importance of games. A healthy body keeps a healthy mind. The mind performs its best when it is in good order. For this, it is necessary to have a physically healthy body. There is no enough time in this running life. What we do to maintain our body and keep it fit? There is no satisfactory answer. We don't have time for yoga and taking exercise. Then, what to do to overcome on this problem? We have a nice habit since childhood, that is game or sport. Games have their own importance to keep the body healthy and fit. All parts of body takes part during game. There should not any doubt that we can spend our little time for any game and sport. So games have great importance. Games are not only interesting but also they are necessary for health and proper development of our body. Games keep us bodily fit and free from disease or illness. We learn to remain active and smart by playing. Thus, games cure us of laziness and make us physically as well as mentally alert. Games are also a great source of recreation. It also develops our personality as well as patience and tolerance. What happens when we win any game? There is no measuring of those happiness. All games like cricket, hockey, football, kabaddi, volleyball and badminton give our body a natural exercise as our body moves in same manner as we do in our daily life's work. Really, games and sports have so many important benefits for human life, and these have been an important part of life. 3. Problem of pollution. Rising pollution is a very big problem for us. It is producing health challenges for all. There are many things we take polluted. We breathe polluted air, drink polluted water, and eat polluted food. We cannot say this confirmed that we take everything fresh and non-polluted. Pollution produces many health challenges not only for all creatures but also for our environment. Air pollution is causing much more damage not only to us but also to our kids and animals. More and more people are suffering from air pollution. Kids with asthma have such a hard time breathing. They can't even play outside sometimes. Pollution has risen. dramatically in past years, affecting air pollution of course the greenhouse effect, and health problems, land pollution which causes harm to our environment, and water pollution which impairs water ecosystems. These obstacles cause harm and distress to plants, animals and humans. We have gained in using our resources, as well as also gained in many challenges for health. The question is rising that how can protect us from this enemy? The answer is negative, as we have not any solution regarding our health. Only one solution will be beneficial, that controlling rising pollution from our environment. 4. The use of mobile phones. Mobile phones are the gift of science to the modern world. Things which one had never thought about have become order of the day. Mobile phones have captured the market. In fact, expensive and latest handset has become status symbols. On one hand, mobile phones can be very beneficial to trace about the whereabouts of a person. In case of any kind of emergencies, the news can be given. Mobile phone is not only a blessing but also a curse. SMS messages and cameras lead to many negative effects. We should use mobile only when it is necessary and not for the sake of using it. 5. The education of girl child. There is no doubt to say that education of girl child is must in today's world. Girls are the future of nation. If we educate a girl, then we educate the whole family. The government is taking tremendous steps to provide universal education. Free scholarships and education is being provided for the girl child. A large amount of money is being spent by the government. The government has been able to attain almost 80% literacy rate. Education has become status symbol, and even in the conservative families, girls are being sent to school. Girl education has also helped to do away with social stigmas such as child marriage, sati pratha, etc. So we should all take steps to popularize girl education. 6. Good manners. Good manners make a student disciplined. These are necessary in everyone's life. We can win love and appreciation everywhere through good manners. A man is judged by his good behavior with others. Family traditions are the most important factors in improving good manners. We should learn good manners while talking to others. We should be helpful to those students who are weak. We should not hurt the feelings of others. Whenever somebody does us a favor, we should use the words please and thank you. We should not pluck the flowers and leaves from the public park. Public place should be kept clean. We should not write on the walls. We should not throw banana peels on the roads and streets. There are some bad manners which should be given up so that we may get a good name. 7. Pollution. We are under constant attack of the monster called pollution. It is the single major factor for most of the unnatural deaths that occur, particularly in a country like India where the menace of pollution is on the rise. The air we breathe, the water we drink and the soil we get food from are all polluted. Of late, the people as well as the government have been showing grave concern for the rising level of pollution. The ever-increasing number of vehicles and industries and factories are the major sources of pollution. With the developmental activities taking place all around, the number of vehicles and industries cannot be checked. What we can do is to see that they emit minimum smoke and poisonous gases. The pollution is reaching alarming proportion. So major steps are needed to strain the tide. No doubt the government has been taking major steps like introduction of CNG vehicles to replace diesel-run vehicles. The citizens must pool in their own efforts to further the cause. Like, share, and subscribe.